Hey guys, what's up? Pretty much bringing you this short little video. Pretty much I'm calling it hopping and rolling. Hopping and rolling on the hogback. Pretty much what a hop is pretty much when you take the drone and go up and then go back, make sure the nose is down, and then you just like glide down, and then you pull out, and then you go back up, kind of like this. I'm gonna use this as my little ghetto drone here. Pretty much, here's what it's like. A hop, you get enough altitude, you make the nose go down like this, and then you go down, dive down, and at the end, you pull back up, and then you do it again. See how it's kind of like hopping? I know that's not pretty much what it's called, but it's the dub hop, the DUBZ Hop. That's more name better for it. DUBZ Hop, the DUBZ Hop.